2012 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, carpeting, tachometer, side curtain airbag, brake assist, traction control system, power mirrors, cup holders, rear wheel drive, engine immobilizer, mud guards, digital clock. Come take a test drive today.